Hey everyone, welcome back to OdooVerse. I'm Rashika Sharma, and in today's video, we're going to learn Odoo Security and Access Rights step by step. In real companies, not every user should access every piece of data. For example, students should not delete records. Salespeople should not access accounting, and interns should not have admin permissions. That's why Odoo provides a powerful security system. In this video, we'll learn access rights user groups, permissions record rules, and security files. So let's get started. Odoo Security is the system that protects business data and controls user access. Its main purpose is to make sure only the right users can access the right information. Security helps protect customer data, secure financial records, and block unauthorized access. It also controls what users can view, edit, create, or delete inside the system. Now, let's understand access rights. These are the four main permissions in Odoo. First, read permission allows users to view records. And second, write permission allows users to edit existing records. Third, create permission allows users to add new records. And fourth, delete permission allows users to permanently remove records. Together, these permissions form the foundation of Odoo Security. Now, let's understand user groups. In Odoo, permissions are usually managed through groups. Each group has its own set of access rights. For example, managers may have full access. Employees may have limited access. Interns may only have read access. Users can belong to one or multiple groups depending on their role. This makes permission management easier and more organized. Now let's understand these permissions with practical examples. Read. A student can view course records but cannot change anything. Write. A teacher can update student grades. Create. An admin can add new students into the system. Delete. Only a manager can remove student records completely. These permissions help companies control data safely. Now let's understand these permissions with practical examples. Read. A student can view course records but cannot change anything. Write. A teacher can update student grades. Create. An admin can add new students into the system. Delete. Only a manager can remove student records completely. These permissions help companies control data safely. Now let's move to one of the most important security files in Odoo, ir.model.access.csv. This file defines which groups can access which models and what actions they can perform. Inside this file, we define model name, user group, read permission, write permission, create permission, and delete permission. Every professional Odoo module usually includes this file from day one. Now let's look at a practical example. Here, a student user has read access equals yes create, access equals yes, write, access equals no, delete, access equals no. This means students can view records and add records, but they cannot edit or delete data. This setup protects data integrity while still allowing useful access. Now, let's see how all security layers work together in a real example. First, we create a student user group. Second, we define permissions using the access CSV file. And third, we apply record rules so users only see their own records. Together, these three layers create a secure and professional Odoo application. So today we learned security and Odoo access rights, user groups permissions access, CSV files, and record rules. Now your Odoo application is becoming much more professional and secure. In the next video, we'll learn Odoo ORM Explained. We'll understand how Odoo interacts with the database using Python. So make sure you subscribe to OdooVerse, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.